like a temporary fix that will go bad again in the future, the near future rather. Hey, DJ K9.
Thanks for the 4 months of awesome streams, Codister.
Thanks, pal. Now, that's not to say that what I'm about to do, put a brand new entire stick inside, is also not temporary. You see, the Joy-Con has a very serious issue that cannot be permanently fixed. It's just kind of the way they're made. But it's going to last a hell of a lot longer than simply cleaning it out, you know? This is a new service we offer to customers. It's $15 for one Joy-Con or $25 for two. The main part of that cost is, of course, obviously our time and effort to go into it, but then also the actual stick itself is... they're not super expensive, but they're not as cheap as some other parts. How long do they normally last? Yeah, I guess that depends on your use, how hard you are on them, but mine have lasted me the entire time the Switch has been out. But then again, I don't really use them. I don't know. Actually. Long time, I think. Joy-Con drift didn't start coming up until a little while after the Switch came out, right, guys? How long do you guys think? Yeah, it definitely depends on your place, so much that I couldn't really even estimate. You only use Pro controllers? Same here. Okay, so we'll pull that out. So we now have mostly disassembled the Joy-Con here. Grab these tweezers. And the annoying bit is just how small everything is. So you got to be careful, or you're gonna rip something, you know. Take out this. And the interesting thing about this, shit. There we go. Alright, never mind, sorry. I'm getting distracted. Focus, Cody, focus. Alright, so we got that. Let's pull that piece out, and ta-da! Look at that. Out of here. Put a brand new one in. Once Animal Crossing came out, it was a lot more apparent, I think, when Animal Crossing came out, right? Have I ever fixed a Switch light? No, I've barely even seen the Switch lights, honestly. We have one waiting in the back right now to go out for sale soon. Okay. Alright, let's put that sucker in there. Pro controllers are indestructible. I have not heard that. I've heard that they are drifting as well. However, mine has been great. I got my Pro controller. It's the Splatoon pink and green one. I think it might be an import from Europe or something. I can't remember, but yeah, I really like the look of it. And I've had that, and I've played my Switch a lot, and I have no issues with it at all. I'm shocked how long the battery lasts on the Switch Pro controller. Just a little aside. Anyone else notice that? Seems to last like a pretty incredible amount of time. Okay, that's good. So this is the annoying part: is there's lots of little tiny ribbons you need to move around. You need to maneuver into place, and there's lots of little tiny ribbons that you got to be careful not to rip. So. There it goes. Oops. So I estimated that the repair itself should take about 10 minutes. How long has it been already? 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Okay. I guess I'm sort of on track. Testing is going to be its own thing. There we go. Cool.
Hi, Cody Berkler. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you? Okay. Let's see. I'm not going to put in all the screws, but I want to get, enough of the screws back into place to Splatoon 2 Pro controllers being sold in the US as well. Yeah. Okay, I was confused. Whoa, thanks for the $5, Cold Iron Man. Thanks a lot, mister. Whew. What a guy. Let's see. There we go. Is there a way to stop a circuit board from shaking around in a Game Boy cart? Oh. Surprised. Surprised it is shaking around. Okay. Sorry, I'm losing my focus now. Alright. Refocus, Codester. We gotta get this thing repaired. Alright. So here we have a tester switch. This is actually one of the switches that's on hold for, damn, this one needs like a new kickstand or something. Keeps falling out. Okay. Alright, so let's test this first one here. Cool, it's moving, it's moving. Let's see here. So if you go to here, controllers and sensors, you can scroll on down to update controllers first off, and we're going to go ahead and update the controller. Silver Ninja, thank you for the 6 months. Thank you very much, pal. Cool. Alright, controller's updated. Now let's check the calibrate control sticks. This is the way you test it. So you press in on the left stick here, and you can see exactly what your inputs are versus how the switch is reading your inputs. Looks correct to me! Good stuff, right? We'll want to go in every direction to see if it starts drifting, but each time it keeps landing dead in the middle, so good news. Alright. Let's pull that sucker off, screw it back together, and call this one good. And I've almost completed this. How about them Kraken? Oh yeah, so Seattle got their official name and logo and stuff for our NHL team. It's the Seattle Kraken, and I can't wait. I can't tell you a freaking thing about hockey, dude, but I love watching it live. I can't name one player besides Wayne Gretzky, of course, but that's it. That's it, man. Because Wayne Gretzky, I think he's he's like a different species, you know? That fool has like records that are not even close to being broken. He's pretty good, yeah. But anyway, Kraken is pretty dope. Did you guys see the logo for the Seattle Kraken? There we go. Stop. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Pretty good, right? You got their jersey in Animal Crossing New Horizons? Nice. Look at this. If you haven't seen it, Seattle Kraken logo. Check this out. It's pretty sweet. Images. Here we go. All right. So here you go. So our first Seattle Kraken hockey team logo is it's like a tentacle that makes an S, but also it's like an eye. Like, ooh, Krakens are fucking scary, right? We also have this, an anchor, but get it? The anchor's the Space Needle. And then lastly, just the text, which looks good. Not much more to say about it, but it looks pretty sweet, right? Now that we have a name, we are finding ways to draft your favorite player. Well, I don't know. I would be shocked. I'm probably... who knows? Who knows what the future holds? I'd be shocked if I became like a full-on hockey fan that was following, all the trades and whatnot like I do with the NFL. But I will definitely probably see more games of that live than Mariners or Seahawks or anything. It's just it's a very fun environment. Seems like right with 100k points, since a normal sub non-sub would earn about 7 per week. Holy shoot, that's a long time. Higher T's do get points, but oh man, I didn't do the whole calculations. I just threw a number out there that seemed right. Are you sure that's okay? By the sounds of what you're describing, it'll take somebody like a month and a half to obtain all that points. Is that right? Am I a season ticket holder? No. Tickets are crazy expensive. The numbers are fine right now? Okay. We want it to take a long time. Okay. I wish I could, like, auto-adjust channel points. That would be cool. I want to do, like, a thing where we, like, gamble, right? So I'll be like, or Chibi-sama will be like, yo, Codester, if you land that kickflip, I'll give you 50,000 channel points. And I'll be like, alright, Cheapster, you're on. And then, you know, of course I land the kickflip, and then I take Chibi's points. But let's say a different scenario arises, like XYZ Dragon Cannon, extremely talented artist, made some really cool Pink Gorilla pixel art. I want to be like, whoa, thanks so much. Oh, okay, we're fine. I accidentally pulled too hard and ripped the ribbon cable out. Now the ribbon cable is fine, but that scared the shit out of me. Anyway, so XYZ Dragon Cannon made some beautiful Pink Gorilla pixel art, and what if I'm like, well, I want to give him a bunch of channel points now or something? I don't know. Yeah, that scared the crap out of me, dude. I think this thing is being held together with like soda or something, because like I was paying attention, I swear, but I was trying to like pull it apart, and like the whole thing just at once. I think it's got stickies all over it. But yeah, I gotta be extra careful. This is no joking around, no playing around time. I'm good, I got this. Don't you worry about Big Papa Codester here. You scooch on over. Alright. Come on out. Don't be shy. You're good. You come up. Alright, I gotta bring these back to the ID store.
IT worked.
It worked! Thanks for the 17 months, Mystic Headlock. And that's why we don't do customer repairs. Our personal dibs allowed at the ID store. Yeah, dude, that'd be fun. Maybe we should do that, maybe we should do that later. I'll check the schedule.
Focus. This is a message to make you focus. Just keep focusing. Focusing. Focusing hard. And more focusing.
Thank you.
Don't ever stop focusing. Only focus. Never stop focusing. Focusing is a way of life.
Your words of inspiration have inspired me to fuck around. Slate Rabbit, what's up, man? Thank you for the Twitch Prime sub. It cut off halfway. Oh god, that was only halfway through it? Oops. Go. Let's grab those. Oops.
Focusing is an art form. Focusing is the only thing you do.
True.
Focusing will never let you down.
True.
Do the focus. Live the focus. Love the focus. Be the focus.
Thank you. I keep seeing Jay Streezy emotes. Do we have some Jay Streezy fans here tonight? Anyone here not know who Jay Streezy is? The safest Twitch streamer in the world right now. He is in Vietnam currently. He's one of my oldest Twitch streaming buddies. He's currently in Vietnam. And Vietnam has something like 0 cases of coronavirus in the last, like, 1 billion years or something like that. My stats might be a little bit off, but the main point is that he's stuck in Vietnam, and he's also safe there, where nobody's sick. They're not letting people in. They're possibly not letting people out. I don't really know, but yeah. So he's over there having a grand old time, living normal life. Well, I mean normal Vietnam life, I guess, and yeah.